Andiamo nell'ende. Unko kwa Kwamboka Simba. Mshomo rudio Simba Arati. Receiving the greetings from the governor. Happy Mother's Day. How many women here have received a message from your husband?
Arika.
Now receive the message from the governor.
Wow!
On behalf of our
Yes.
Happy Mother's Day again.
Happy Mother's Day.
Now all the men here, please take your phone. Send your wife a message.
Yes.
Tell your wife, thank you for the great work.
Yes.
That woman in the house is the one who has made you today. You go home, there's food. You go home, there's peace. Your children is taken care of. The woman is everything in the home. Can you please say, I love you, my wife? Though I did not receive a message. So those ones who has governor's number, please send him a message and tell him to send me a message. Now, today I'm happy to be here. Thank you, Mheshimiwa Steve Arika, for this great function. You have remembered all the women in your ward. You are doing a very good job. We appreciate you. See, Mheshimiwa is doing a great job. Thank you. Now, I've come here. I want to leave you with lessons. This is one son the lessons. I'm sure Mheshimiwa Steve will remain behind and give you the lessons. Now for the husband. Next time at the Father's Day, I'm sure Mheshimiwa Steve will organize something else. But today I brought all these beautiful MCs here. Have you ever seen all these beautiful lady MCs? Since the first time. I want to send a strong message. As women of Kisii, we're going to be united. We're going to work together and work together with the women of Kisii. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
Thank you. You can stand and receive gift.
Ocha rokone ke Kisii.
Kwamboka apu